Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to monetize a YouTube channel. So first things first, of course, you must have your YouTube channel. You have to create a YouTube channel right here. And then number one, you need to know the requirement or the YouTube's monetization requirements. To do that, you can go to any web browser and then search for the YouTube or YouTube's monetization requirements such as the following, like 1,000 subscribers and then 4,000 valid public watch hours in the 12 months or past 12 months. Option B, 1,000 subscribers, 10 million public shorts views in the last 19 days. Plus, you need to follow all YouTube policies. So basically, you will see here policies. You have to read that one. Another thing also, you must enable to factor or two-step verification. You have to go to your Google account and enable this one. Like you can add your email and your phone number and have no active community guideline strikes. So once you have turned on two-step verification and you have followed or meet the requirements right here, then you can basically go to your YouTube studio and you can now start adding videos. Okay, you can add shorts, and then to know the update of the watch time hours, you can go to this analytics right here and then change this to like 365 days to see the result. And then if you think that you have meet the requirements, then you can go to YouTube Studio. On the left menu, you can see here earn. Just click that one. Now, if not, then you can enable, you just have to click this notify you once you are eligible. So these are the requirements once you meet this, and that's how you simply monetize your YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.